As a complete beginner within the Forex trading space, it can be quite a daunting task trying to figure out how exactly you go about learning. So in this video, I'm going to show you the 3-step process that every beginner needs to go through in order to consistently profit from the Forex market. Hello and welcome to the Pine Street Capital YouTube channel where we talk about trading and investing. If you're new here, please hit the subscribe button below. Now without further ado, let's get to it. My name is Ron and I've been trading for over 6 years, and today we are going to be talking about how you learn Forex trading as a beginner. There's a really simple 3-step process that every beginner needs to go through when they start their Forex trading journey. Step 1 is consuming as much of the free educational material that you find online as you possibly can. Now, the very first place to start, I'd say for a lot of beginners, is babypips.com. Go on babypips.com and start reading through the educational content for beginners, and that will sort of bring you up to speed on the very basics of what you need to know about trading the Forex market. Once you've gone through the courses on Baby Pips, you'll also find a lot of good educational material provided by the good brokers within the industry. Once you sign up, what they'll usually do is they'll provide you with educational material that will teach you how to go about placing your first trade. And the aggregation of all that will add to everything that you need once you actually get started. Another very good place for free educational content is right here on YouTube. The University of YouTube is actually one of the best places to learn because there are a lot of creators such as ourselves who actually provide you with step-by-step information of how we actually go about profitably trading the Forex market every day. And by the way, if you like content like that on a more regular basis, subscribe to our YouTube channel using the subscribe button right there, down there. You can subscribe now. Step 2 is learning how to use the trading platform. Now you can download the MetaTrader for mobile trading platform on your Android or App Store. Also download it on your laptop. This way you learn how the trading platform actually works. You learn how to place a buy trade, you learn how to place a sell trade, you learn how to place all the different types of orders that you can place that you would have learned in the first step. And you really see how the markets move once you have that trading platform there. Now, one thing I will caution you about that a lot of beginners get caught up in, and this is a classic mistake, which is that they start practicing how to trade on a demo account. A demo account isn't meant for that. A demo account is for you to learn the platform, not learn how to trade the markets. And the reason I say this is because when you're actually trading the markets, there are a lot of emotions involved, and they play a key role in whether or not you can actually do this. So if you're practicing on a demo account whereby it's a fake $1,000 that's moving around, you don't really care about it. You've got no emotional attachment to it. So what are you really practicing? If you really want to practice, it's done on a live account. But before you actually learn how the platform works, I wouldn't skip over to the live account. So on a demo account, just play around with it, see what happens when you place a buy order, see what happens when you place a sell order. And once you know how all that works, then it's time to move to step 3. Step 3 is investing in your education. Now, before you even move on to a live account, the very first thing you need to do is you need to join a trading community or get a mentor who's going to help you through the entire process. What most traders do once they've gone through the demo account phase is they'll basically go to a brokerage, deposit $1,000, and then lose the entire amount, and they wouldn't have learned anything in that process. As in, they're basically donating money to the brokerage. You can do this, or you can take that same 1,000 Rand and join a trading community or get a mentor. And these are usually people who have done what you're trying to do before. So they'll give you the right information and the right step-by-step on how you actually go about trading profitably. So those are the 3 steps that you need to take if you want to learn how to trade Forex successfully as a beginner. If you like this content, hit the like button below. And if you'd like to see more content just like it, subscribe to our YouTube channel and join our trading community on Telegram using the first link in the description. With that said, I'll see you in the next one.